Just kind of out here enjoying the outdoor woods. You can hear some frogs out in the distance. The camera doesn't show what I'm looking at in as good a quality as what I'm seeing. So you all don't get the full experience, but it's nice out here. It's still maybe a little bit of a breeze, but not much. Sun's up there somewhere. It's kind of warm. I don't know, 80 degrees out here or something like that. I don't know how well y'all can hear the birds chirping either, but it's nice out here. I like it. I came down here so y'all could see the greenery a little better. It's a little more grassy down here. It's nice. It's an airplane going over somewhere. I don't know where it is. It's nice out here. It's probably a little more boring for y'all to watch this than it is for me to look at all this, because I don't think the camera really picks up all the sounds that I'm hearing, which is quite unfortunate, but you know, it is what it is. Came down here to the creek just to sit here and listen. You can see some water striders on the water there. There's one. Wow, actually looking at that on the camera, that's beautiful. I don't see it like that with my eyes. Well, I'm gonna turn this camera off and just kind of sit here and enjoy all this. Oh, there's a fish that just went under. I don't know if y'all saw it, but I definitely did. There's some fish down here. That's cool. Alright, well, yeah, anyway, I'm gonna turn this thing off and I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy this for a little while.